So the other day I was surfing Thingiverse looking for something to print, and I found this model of the World Showcase sign from Epcot. Now, I brought it into Fusion 360 and decided I'll just add a hanger so I don't have to glue or put anything on the back and it will sit flush on the wall, because I had an idea. Well, while trying to do this, I ran into a couple things. One, see those pointy things on the top? They weren't even, and whoever modeled it did a good job, but my OCD kicked into overdrive. I went ahead and printed it after adding my keyhole, and all I did was run into disasters. I had the depth wrong. I just wasn't happy. So it turned out pretty good, but I wanted perfect. And when I mean perfect, like the perfect Cheez-It, or so my son says. This is where I decided to just redo it all myself. This took quite a while, but it was kind of therapeutic, and I couldn't go outside anyway. So I added all the things I wanted into it. I fixed the little pointy things, or so I thought. I ended up doing them in the reverse order, so the one in the center should actually be at the back instead of the front. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there you go. See those things? That's the way it was in Thingiverse, and that one behind there is the one I did. So a quick sanding, and as you can see, I kind of got on I guess you'd call it a sign bender. I made a bunch of different signs. I actually got another couple videos with signs. This led to a whole bathroom redo. It was a thing. It's actually still a thing. So after some quick sanding, I put them in the sand blaster. It's actually a glass bead blaster. I added a coat of, I think it was aged bronze. I don't know. One of those metallic colors. And then a friend of mine's birthday was coming up, so also while on Thingiverse, I found that entrance sign to the Magic Kingdom. So there was the main two that I was trying to get done. I brought in the gold gilding paint. Look at that. If only I could do it that fast. And this one was actually pretty easy. Just some gold. Didn't really even age it or anything. Just got it ready for him to hang on his wall. There we go. That's better. Looks pretty good. So now with these, I had a couple different layers of paint, just some spray paint. Here I'm using a dry brush technique. You guys see me do this over and over. I don't know why I like making brass signs. I actually got some new silver, so I'm going to try rust and some other things. Here I'm just weathering it, just different blacks and browns and even some green. If you look in there real close, you can see some green. I wanted this to look old because if you haven't seen the video, I'll go ahead and link it at the end. I made an entire basement themed off Indiana Jones and old movies and stuff like that. So I wanted this to look like it came out of an Indiana Jones movie because I have this giant map on my wall. And I thought, it really needs a World Showcase sign. Or so I thought. Here's some green and some white, trying to get some more of that oxidation. At this point, I panicked a little bit because I thought I'd overdone it. But as you can see, most of it came off. So there's the three signs. You can see that they're a couple different colors. This is the one off Thingiverse. Tell you what, I'm actually giving this away. I don't like it. I like this one better. But if you're interested in the first print, I went ahead and painted it up. Leave me a note in the comments. And if someone can guess the number I'm thinking right now, they win. And here's that giant sign, a giant map. And there's that World Showcase sign. It looks like it came right out of an Indiana Jones movie, right? Well, I got more sign videos, more other videos, and more just randomness coming up. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.